Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are study well at home. So today we are going to learn one new topic. Let's speak. So dear students, now we will see 1.7th lesson of second standard, that is let's speak. Listen, repeat and enact. Here you can see, here is a picture of mother and a daughter. Ashwini says, "May I go out to play, Ai?" You know, in Marathi they call Ai to mom. Ashwini is a little girl just like you. When Ashwini asked her mother if I should go out to play, she told her, "Yes, you can go out to play." Ashwini now talking to her father. Ashwini says, "Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I?" So Ashwini is asking her father that, "Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake." She wished to eat a piece of cake. Now let's see. Baba says, "Yes, you may, but after dinner, and then brush your teeth." So Baba allows Ashwini, "Yes, you can have cake, but only after the dinner, and when you have cake, you have to brush your teeth." Then Ashwini says, "Okay, Baba." Ashwini agrees to say her father. Now students, look at this picture. You can see this is a zoo and this is a ticket center. A little girl named Mohini is taking 2 tickets because she wants to go to the zoo. Now let's see, what does Mohini ask. Mohini says, "May I have 2 tickets please?" Ticket seller says, "Yes, you may." Here they are. Mohini is asking to ticket seller, "May I have 2 tickets?" So ticket seller gives the ticket to Mohini. Now students, look at this picture. What you see in this picture? There are 2 girls talking to each other. These 2 girls are talking to each other in the same way you are talking to each other. Now let's see what they are talking. Tina says, "May I borrow your pencil?" Reena says, "Yes, sure. Here it is." Tina says, "Thank you, Reena." So Tina is asking Reena, "Can you give me your pencil?" or "May I borrow your pencil?" She is asking Reena, then Reena is happily giving the pencil to Tina. Then Tina says, "Thank you." So students, when you talk to each other in the same way, if you want something, you ask for it from your friend and your friend gives it to you. Now students, look at the next picture. What you see in this picture? In this picture, a little boy, his name Sham, is talking to a gardener. But let's see what he is talking about. Now Sham says, "May I pluck those flowers?" He is asking this question to gardener. Gardener says, "Sorry, you may not." So gardener is not allowing Shams to pluck the flowers. So guys, what we learn in this lesson today? First, conversation between Ashwini and her mother. Then, conversation between Ashwini and her father. Then, conversation between Mohini and ticket seller. And last, conversation between Shyam and gardener. So students may have learned from the above conversation how to talk to another person. So students, I hope you understand this lesson. Okay students, do practice at home. Stay safe, stay happy, stay home. Take care all. Thank you.